Brian was diagnosed with rheumatic heart disease. You have like valves are not functioning properly. So before the surgery, condition on my brother was a bit serious. He could not walk longer distance. Like if he walks a few meters, he'll be out of breath. We decided to contact Medivisor in their treatment. His valves were actually changed. Both his valves were replaced by mechanical valves, which was a really big surgery, and he actually came out of it. And now he can walk longer distance, can walk upstairs just like a normal, healthy human being. Yeah? My name is Fred Alvin Osifello. I'm here in India with my little brother, Brian Osifello. Brian was diagnosed with rheumatic heart disease back in Solomon Islands. The disease or the condition actually started last year, 2025. He was admitted to the National Referral Hospital where they found out that he had rheumatic heart. It is a condition whereby one of his mitral valves is not working properly as it should be. So with the limited resources back at National Referral Hospital, we decided to contact Medivisor in their treatment to look at ways to have him head over to India and actually undergo surgery or further medical treatments. We arrived here on March 6th. We were met by the Medivisor team at New Delhi airport, where they have actually organized everything for us. They took us in, brought us to the hotel. We stayed at the Vaisali Inn hotel. After a few days at Vaisali Inn, Medivisor team took us for medical checkups. I think we met with Dr. Vibhav Mishra, who is the head of the heart department here, had a few medical consultations, and based on those medical consultations, he wanted my brother to actually undergo an echo scan, whereby they actually scan his heart and to see like the specific abnormalities. So yeah, he went and did that scan. Based on that scan, they found out that it wasn't one valve, but it was actually two valves, which was not functioning as it should be. Yeah? So it's both the aortic valve and the mitral valve. So yeah, after the checkups and stuff, we were then admitted here at Max Super Specialty. We were here Monday, Tuesday, and surgery happened on Wednesday. The surgery went successful. He came out, stayed at ICU for 4 days before being discharged up back into our ward. And yeah, during our stay, Medivisor team has been visiting us every day, sending someone to check up on us every single day. Checking up, how are you feeling? Are you getting the right food and stuff here with the services? So yeah, they have been very helpful in that, visiting you. So if you come here, just be assured that you won't be left alone in the room. Yeah, they will be visiting you every day. And if you need anything, you just message them. Since we were admitted here, like the Medivisor team, the help was just phenomenal, up to standard. On behalf of us, we would like to thank the Medivisor team for the continuous support since arriving in India and our stay before and after the surgery. Before the surgery, the condition on my brother was a bit serious. He could not walk longer distance. Like if he walks a few meters, he'll be out of breath. Like his overall breathing was not normal. He wasn't breathing normally. And yeah, he also experienced like swollen foot also. His feet were swollen at one point and he could not breathe. He could not walk up like stairs or walk longer distance. He could not do physical activities. After the surgery, his valves were actually changed. Both his valves were replaced by mechanical valves, which was a really big surgery, and he actually came out of it. And now he can walk longer distance, can walk upstairs just like a normal, healthy human being. Yeah, I think the surgery went successful. Both valves are now working properly. And yeah, just for anyone who's actually looking for medical surgery or treatment overseas, I would highly recommend Medivisor in their treatment. Based on my experience, like they're the best option for you. Yeah, if you want to come here, they'll provide you with like the best medical services you can get for a very reasonable price. On behalf of me, my younger brother, and our family, we would like to thank the Medivisor team and everyone who has been involved in making sure our stay here was a success. So yeah, thank you.